Baltimore homeowners face a wide range of weather conditions throughout the year, from humid summers and heavy rainfall to cold winters and gusty winds. While entry doors provide the main barrier between the indoors and outdoors, adding a storm door creates an extra layer of protection that significantly improves comfort, durability, and energy efficiency. Often overlooked, storm doors offer practical benefits that make a noticeable difference in everyday living. Here's how storm doors enhance both protection and comfort for Baltimore homes. Added protection against harsh weather. Baltimore's weather can be unpredictable, with frequent rain, strong winds, and temperature swings. A storm door acts as a shield for your primary entry door. This extra layer helps deflect rain and snow away from the main door, reduce wind impact on door frames, minimize wear caused by sun exposure. By protecting the main door, storm doors extend its lifespan and maintain its appearance. Improved energy efficiency. Year-round storm doors create an insulating air pocket between the storm door and the main entry door. This additional barrier helps regulate indoor temperatures. Energy efficiency benefits include reduced heat loss during winter, lower heat gain during summer, less strain on heating and cooling systems for Baltimore homeowners. This means improved comfort and lower energy bills. Enhanced ventilation without sacrificing security. One of the most popular features of storm doors is improved ventilation. Many models include retractable or interchangeable screens. This allows homeowners to let fresh air in during mild weather, keep insects out, maintain security while doors are open. Proper airflow improves indoor air quality and comfort. Increased protection during storms. Storm doors provide an added layer of defense during severe weather events. While not designed to withstand extreme forces alone, they help absorb impact from wind-driven debris. Benefits include reduced direct pressure on the main door, extra resistance during storms, greater peace of mind during heavy weather. This added protection is especially valuable during Baltimore's stormy seasons. Improved indoor comfort near entryways. Drafts and temperature fluctuations near entry doors are common in many homes. Storm doors help stabilize temperatures in entryways and adjacent rooms. Homeowners notice fewer cold drafts in winter, reduced heat infiltration in summer, more comfortable living spaces. This improvement enhances everyday comfort. Additional security layer. Storm doors add an extra physical barrier to entry points. Many modern storm doors include reinforced frames and secure locking systems. Security benefits include deterrence against forced entry, extra time and resistance if tampered with, improved peace of mind for families. This layered approach strengthens overall home security. Protecting entry door finishes. Baltimore's humidity and sun exposure can cause entry doors to fade, warp, or deteriorate. A storm door shields the main door from direct exposure. This protection preserves paint and finishes, reduces maintenance needs, keeps entryways looking newer longer. It's a simple way to protect your investment. Custom style options enhance curb appeal. Modern storm doors are available in various styles, colors, and glass options that complement Baltimore's diverse home designs. Homeowners can choose full view glass for maximum light, decorative designs for added style, low profile frames for a clean look. A well chosen storm door enhances curb appeal without overpowering the entry. Professional installation ensures maximum benefits. To fully enjoy the advantages of a storm door, professional installation is essential. Proper alignment, sealing, and secure mounting ensure optimal performance. A smart upgrade for Baltimore homes. Storm doors offer Baltimore homeowners a practical way to improve comfort, energy efficiency, and protection. By shielding entry doors from weather, enhancing ventilation, and adding an extra security layer, storm doors deliver everyday benefits that are easy to appreciate. For homeowners looking to strengthen their home's defenses while increasing comfort and style, installing a storm door is a smart investment that pays off in every season.